welcome to my channel Cooking with Biala. Today we're going to learn how to make Haitian chicken sauce. Let's start. We have the chicken. It's already clean. I poured some boiled water and I removed the skin. Everything's already done in the chicken. So it's ready to cook. Now I do have green bell pepper. I have thyme. I have cilantro. I do have parsley. I have scallion, which is green onion. I have onion. I have a little bit of jalapenos pepper. I do have red bell pepper, cubano pepper, and shallot, and some lemon and seasoning. Now you can see down on my video down below, you can see the link how to make sofrito. This is sofrito, but sofrito Haitian version. Okay, and I do have adobo oil for frying. I have salt here. I do have extra pot, and I do have here pasta sauce. Now let's start. We're gonna season the chicken. First we're gonna put some lemon and season the chicken. Now, once we're done with the seasoning of chicken, we put a little bit of salt, some adobo, just a little bit, and almost done. Now, we can overnight, put it in the fridge and overnight marinate, and next morning we can make the sauce. However, today I'm just gonna let it sit for 20 minutes. After 20 minutes done, we will put it. Let's start to boil the chicken first. Put a little bit of oil in the pan. We put in the chicken to boil. A little bit of, you can use tomato paste or tomato salsa. I don't use those stuff, but I use pasta sauce. I don't use tomato paste. I use pasta sauce. Just put a little bit of it. Now let it here to boil. Just boil. We're gonna let it boil about 20 minutes. Little bit of water into it and let it to boil. Maybe I'll say 10 more minutes. We're back after 10 minutes. Now we're gonna see how is it. It's looking good. I think it's done. Yes, it is done. So we don't have to overcook it because we're gonna fry it and then put it in the sauce again, so it's done like that after 10 to 20 minutes. Okay, now we're gonna pour the chicken on another recipient. We have our pan here. We're gonna let it hot just for a little bit. And put some oil. To put the chicken into the hot oil to fry. Now the chicken is fried. In the meantime, we're putting the sauce in this chicken because I'm going to use the pot. You can use the same pot that has the seasoned chicken to put the chicken once it's finished to fry. We have the chicken after frying. Everything's look good. We have the same pan what we use to boil the chicken. We're gonna saute some onions, green and red bell pepper, some cayenne pepper, some shallots, and scallion green onion. Little bit of adobo and just a little bit of salt, just a little bit, and a little bit of sofrito, or you can call it Haitian épice, however you call it, however you're using sofrito. I'm using sofrito, but Haitian version. Now we put in this is my tomato paste. That's what I use for tomato paste. And then put the parsley, thyme, and cilantro. And I'm putting the habanero pepper together with clove. I just put it like that because I don't like the taste of the clove when you're eating it, so we rather put it like that. Once it's done frying, we're gonna pour up the sauce from the boiled chicken. Let it boil for a little bit before we put some water. We're gonna put a little bit of water here. Okay. We're gonna let it boil for 5 to 10 minutes. After maybe 5 minutes, we're gonna put the chicken and the sauce. Once we put the chicken and the sauce, let us sit just for 2 minutes. Okay, after the 2 minutes, you put the peppers. the 2 pieces of jalapeno pepper because it's a little bit hot. And let it cover for 2 minutes. So after the 2 minutes, the sauce is done. Once it's done, you turn it off. After you turn it off, you put your onion. Your onion and it's done. And we are done for today. Thank you for watching, and thank you guys for watching how to learn chicken sauce Haitian style. Now this is the way we're gonna eat this sauce with rice and bean, tostones, pickles, Haitian pickles, and avocado. Later on I will be teaching you guys how to make the stuff. Subscribe to my channel so you don't lose any of this recipe. Thank you for watching and have a wonderful day. Bye. Hello, welcome to my channel, Cooking with Bialab. Today we're gonna learn how to make chicken Haitian sauce. Hi guys. Oh, mommy, what Thank you guys for